So in this video, I'm going to look at the Chrome extension, Detailed SEO Extension. All right, so once the extension has been installed and is activated, let's go to Google. You look in the top right-hand corner and it's been pinned, and you'll see a purple D. There's quite a few purple extensions up here, but in any case, the D represents a Detailed SEO Extension. Okay, so let's see how it works or what information we can get from it. So I typed in some random search term, SEO apprenticeships, and we have our search results, and then I clicked on one of the results. I'm not sure which one. Yes, the SEO works. I think I clicked on it, and here we are. Okay, so we're on a page. Let's get rid of that. Let's click the D, purple D, and then all this information pops up, which is great. So we get the title. So this is probably the title tag. Yes, that's a title tag, the meta description, the URL for the page, canonical, if it's like if there is a canonical page, but I doubt there is because this is the home page. And then keywords missing, not sure what that means. Oh, okay. So it looks like there are no keywords. Huh. Okay, the word count on this page, it gives you that, so 1,500, the language, and then the different types of headers and how many. So it looks like there's one H1, which is good. And then it lists out how many H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6 headers, number of images and links. So that's actually quite nice to have all that information. So it's like a quick little audit of your on-page SEO. The top, that's the overview. So at the top, we can look at headings. So that's nice. It gives a breakdown of where all the headers are and what they are, which is great. And then it gives, let's have a look at the links. It gives, oh, look at that. So it gives you the internal links, the total number of links, unique links, number of internal links, and external links. Interesting. Huh. Okay. And then it tells you, looks like it tells you where the ink. So it tells you the anchor text and the link. Oh, that's nice. That's good. Well, that's valuable information. The fact there's only 78 unique is also interesting. And looks like looks like you can export the list. Let's have a look and see what that looks like. Did it? Let's try again. It'll show us. Huh. That does not look like 81 links. That's okay. Let's try, okay. Export complete links, export incomplete links. All right, let's try that. See what the difference is. Oh, okay. Okay, well, it looks like you can export information. What else do we have? We have images without alt and without a title. Export complete images. I'm not sure what that means. Oh, I'm not sure what complete is versus incomplete. It's not. Oh, there, I think okay. Oh, there you go. Okay, so it gives us all the information about the images and the names, which don't look great, but that's okay. So again, it's almost like an audit, an on-page audit of this site, which is good. The schema. Okay, so now this is a schema just for this particular page, which is helpful. It's just a home page. Then we have social. Look like there's too much going on here. And then advanced. Well, Even if you just use the overview feature of this detailed SEO extension, it gives you a lot of information about the particular page. And if any one of these is missing, you know you need to do some work. You also know if you have more than one H1, that's not good. If you have no H1 header, that's also not good. So at least it does some of these basic counts for you and gives you this information. Looking at the URL, you can determine if it makes sense or if it seems relevant. And then again, the headings, this is very nice that it lists them all out and what type of heading it is. Also the links, this is also very nice that it gives you all the breakdown of the types of links, whether they're internal or external, and then what they are along with the anchor text. And this is again valuable because maybe in some cases you don't know how many links you have. You can just be adding links to a page, or maybe the anchor text is not really relevant or not very informative. So again, very useful information. Again, of course, images without alt text and without a title. Again, valuable information for SEO. So that's the detailed SEO extension.